In this English lesson, I wanted to help you learn the English phrase to have something to offer. When you have something to offer, it means you have a skill or you know how to do something that's a benefit to someone else or to an organization. I like to think that at work, I have something to offer. I know how to speak French. I know how to use computers. I think one of the reasons they have me there, one of the reasons they hired me is because I have something to offer. When I was in college, I often got chosen to be in groups that were doing group work, that were going to do a presentation because I had something to offer back then. I knew how to make PowerPoint presentations, so I definitely had something to offer, and people usually wanted me in their group. The other phrase I wanted to teach you today is the phrase to make an offer. When you make an offer, it means that someone is selling something, and let's say they're selling it for $1,000 and you decide to offer them $800. We would say that you're going to make an offer. Maybe my friend is selling a car and he wants $5,000 for it. I might go and I might make an offer. I might say, hey, will you take $4,000 for your car? So I might make an offer. So to review, when you have something to offer, it means you know how to do something, you have a unique trait, or you're able to do something that other people maybe can't do, and you are a benefit to someone else or to a group. And when you say that you're going to make an offer, it means that someone is selling something and you're going to offer them some money. But hey, let's look at a comment from a previous video. This comment is from Judith. Repetition is the road to learning, even though it is very monotonous. And my response is monotonous is a very good word to describe it. Yes, Judith, repetition is awesome, but it is monotonous. And I was reading that off my phone, and you might have noticed that I hand wrote the words today. Well, something weird happened over the weekend. The power went out very briefly, and I didn't think anything of it. It was a fairly normal thing. Sometimes the power goes out. But then today when I went to print, my printer didn't work. I think it shot, which was a phrase I taught you a few weeks ago. The two green lights come on and they don't blink. They don't do anything. I can't access the printer on the network. I think it's shot. I don't think my printer is going to work anymore. So I'm going to troubleshoot it over the next couple of days. I'm going to try and figure out what was happening. But for today, I thought I'll just handwrite the phrase, and that's how I'll teach it today. So you got to see what my penmanship looks like. You got to see what my handwriting looks like when I print. I don't really use cursive very often anymore. Cursive is when you write with a straight or with a single line, not a straight line. When you write in kind of swirls and curves, we call that cursive. And then what I use when I wrote these, I'm not sure if you can see it, this is called printing. So I printed when I made those. So hopefully it's not something serious. If I do need a new printer, I'll get a new printer. This one has been very, very reliable. I've had it for a number of years. It's printed every day almost for me. I don't print a lot anymore, but I do print out when I go to make a video, I print out my script or my notes for that video. Obviously, twice a week, I've been printing out the phrases that I want to teach you. So it's a little bit disappointing that it didn't work today, but oh well, that's how things go. Nothing lasts forever, we say in English. So maybe there's a cheaper printer I can buy. Maybe I shouldn't be looking for a cheaper one. Maybe I should be looking for something that's a little more expensive. Anyways, thanks for watching this little English lesson. I'll see you in a couple of days with another one. Bye.